Haven't used a tape gun before? Here's a few tips to help. There's two types of gun, manual and automatic. They both have blade guards and essentially work the same. Let's start with the manual one. So you load the tape like this. Put the sticky side down. Ready to go. Let's start taping up a box. So you place the tape gun onto the side, rising all the way, done. So if the tape gun is too loosely tensioned, and when you're pulling over it dispenses too quickly, you turn the dial to tension it, and this will produce a tighter tape, meaning the box is secure. So let me talk about the automatic gun. The only differences is it's an automatic tensioner, and the way that you load this tape gun is pretty much the same. Sticky side outside, roll in, feed it underneath the bar, ready to go. Done. Okay, with both guns as well, when you've finished using them, clip the guard down so that no damage can be done.